everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design, focusing on small kitchens. If you have a cozy kitchen and are looking for some inspiration to maximize space and style, you're in the right place. Here are our top 6 small kitchen interior design ideas and home decor tips. Let's get started with our first idea. 1. Open shelving. First up, we have open shelving. This trend is perfect for small kitchens as it creates an illusion of space while keeping everything within easy reach. Display your beautiful dishes and glassware for a chic and functional look. Plus, it encourages you to stay organized. 2. Light colors and reflective surfaces. Next, let's talk about colors. Light colors and reflective surfaces can make a small kitchen feel larger and brighter. Think white cabinets, light countertops, and glossy tiles. Mirrors or reflective backsplashes can also add depth and bounce light around the room. 3. Multipurpose furniture. Another fantastic idea is multipurpose furniture. Foldable tables, extendable countertops, and chairs that can be tucked away are great for saving space. This way, your kitchen can adapt to your needs, whether you're cooking a feast or enjoying a quiet coffee. 4. Vertical storage solutions. Maximize your vertical space. Tall cabinets and hanging pot racks can help you store more without cluttering your countertops. Use hooks, magnetic strips, and shelf risers to keep everything organized and accessible. 5. Integrated appliances. Integrated appliances are a game changer for small kitchens. Built-in ovens, fridges, and dishwashers blend seamlessly with your cabinetry, giving your kitchen a sleek and cohesive look. Plus, they free up valuable counter space. 6. Creative use of corners. Don't forget about the corners. Corner drawers, lazy susans, and corner sinks can transform those awkward spaces into functional areas. It's all about using every inch wisely. There you have it, our top 6 small kitchen interior design ideas. Remember, a small kitchen can be both beautiful and functional with a little creativity and smart planning. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more tips.